Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the intersection between this one and this one. So we have y squared minus 3y plus 2 equals to y minus number 1. So I will put this one go to the left. Negative 3y and negative y, we have negative 4y. Number 2 plus 1, we have number 3. And we have the solutions of y. So y equals to number 1 and y equals to number 3. And now we need to graph about this one and this one. About this one, we have like this. So before we find about this one, we can put this one equals to number 0. So we have y equals to number 1 and y equals to number 2 in here. So the graph should be like this. So that should be like this. Next, s equals to y minus 1. So the graph should be like this. So the area we need to find that is about this one. We know this intersection in here, that's about number 3. And the second one, that's number 1. So we look carefully about this one. This one, that is about the upper. And this one, that is about the lower. So the area we need to find in here should be about the integration from number 1 to number 3. So we have upper minus lower. And we have dy. The upper, that is about y minus 1. The lower, that is about y squared minus 3y plus 2. So we have negative y squared. Negative with negative, we have positive 3y. 3y plus y, we have 4y. So negative number 1, negative number 2, we have negative number 3. So we have the formula in here. So we have y to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. So in this situation, we have negative y to the power of 3 over 3. So number 2 plus 1, we have number 3 and number 3 in here. Similar for the second one. This one, that is about the constant. So we have negative 3y. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 3. And now we put number 3 gone here, number 1 gone here. So we have 4 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.